Hello, and welcome to training on how to use the blog feature within IQ Office. To begin, log into your IQ Office. If you don't know how to access the system, please contact your office administrator and they can help you with that. Once you're logged into the system, go to the marketing icon on the left-hand side of the screen and then click on My Blogs. This will open your main blog dashboard. From here, you can go and open your blog to edit and add information. Click on the Actions tab on the right-hand side of the screen and go to Entries to add an entry to your blog. Click the green Create Your First Entry and that will open the main edit screen for your entries. Add a title for your blog, as well as a subtitle if you wish. Type the text that you wish to share in your blog, keeping in mind that you can insert an image and a hyperlink, change the formats, or insert HTML code to share a YouTube video or other video by clicking the source code information. Choose if you would like this to be active or inactive. You also have the option to choose to inactivate the content after a certain amount of time. You can choose the date on which your information will be posted. You can choose a date in the past or in the future if you would like. If you would like customers to be able to comment on your blog, choose yes or no. Also, add categories to your blog to make sure that consumers can go in and easily search for your content. If you'd like to add an image, you can drag and drop an image here or click to upload an image. Once you've entered in all the information, click Save to save your article. Click Close to go back to the main dashboard for your entries. This has been training on how to create a blog entry in IQ Office. We are in the business of helping you to work smarter, and we hope you make it a great day.